I'm Dr. İbrahim Tuncay. I'm an orthopedic surgeon, especially interested in the hip and knee disease, arthroscopy and arthroplasty. I've done limb lengthening and reconstruction research fellowship in the United States, especially interested in the arthroplasty. Minimal invasive surgery is extremely important, and technology especially is extremely important in our departments. Joint preserving is extremely important in our field. Especially with the hip preserving strategies is very important for us. Hip arthroscopy is an improving field in orthopedics, and I do mostly the hip arthroscopy. In arthroplasties, robotics are in the fields, and we do robotics arthroplasties in hip and knee problems. I am also co-founder of International Joint Center at Acıbadem in Istanbul. And the purpose of this center is to improve all the fields of the joint disease, especially in hip and knee area. This is the research center. And everything starts with the research. Research improves the clinics. Thus we need some research area, and some colleagues from all over the world will join here and as a research fellow, and we will work together in this area, and we will build up very unique research topics